Kumar of waytoonlinejobs.com. Now I will give you the importance of SEO training. Why you need a SEO training? What you will get in the SEO training? First topic, SEO basics. What you can learn in the SEO basics? First, how to select a domain name for your website. How to select a domain name with keywords, exact keywords for your website. Number 2, about the importance of web hosting. Okay, web hosting play a crucial role in search engine rankings. Number 3, how to select the topic for your website. Which topic is easily you can get a top 10 results. Okay. Number 4, how to select the exact keywords for your content by using the Google AdWords keyword tool. Okay. How to increase the search engine traffic and how to make your website in the Google Analytics. Create unique and accurate page details. Okay. If your website related to the web design, you have to give only the web designing related page title. You cannot give forex title or travel related title or a real estate related title or a matrimony related title. So your website title must 100% relevant to your web page. Okay. Make use of description meta tag. Nowadays Google giving a more important to meta description tag. Okay, meta description play a crucial role in search engine rankings. So you have to write a meta description within 162 characters or 3 lines or maybe 35 words. Okay, including space. Okay, I give a perfect training for this. How to write an exact meta description which fulfill the requirement of Google search engine rankings. Okay. There are so many companies giving a SEO training, but none of them giving how to write an exact meta description which completely matches with Google robots, or you can call it as Google crawler. Okay. Now I am giving a exact training for that. Improving site structure. Okay. There are millions and millions of websites on the internet, but none of them except, I am not blaming any other website because there are more and more websites, millions and millions of websites, but only 2 websites follow the rules of principles of web designing. One is Google and another one is Wikipedia. Okay, Wikipedia is the perfect role model for any website, friends. If you follow the Wikipedia, then you can succeed in the internet world. If you want to make money, if you want to sell the goods, if you want to give some services to your audience, then you must follow Wikipedia. Wikipedia site structure is 100% relevant to each topic and each web page. Okay, Wikipedia is number 1 website and also role model for all the websites. And you can also follow Google to some extent. Google also giving a 90%, say 90%. They are having an excellent structure of the web page and also structure of the website. Improving structure of URL. URL play a crucial role in search engine rankings. If you give the exact URL for a page and you can also select the exact category for your web page, then I am 100% confident, friend, your website must be in top 10 results within 3 minutes of publishing the post. Make your site easier to navigate. You have to give the exact category, you have to make a structure in a normal way to get a higher ranking in search engine rankings. Now we go to the 7th part. search engine ranking. Content is king of your website. Okay. If your content is a unique one, quality one, not copied from any blogs or website, I am 100% confident and I 100% believe your website must be in top 10 of the Google search results. So you have to optimize your content according to the search engine crawlers. So there are more than 720 search engines there. Okay. You have to optimize for maximum number of search engines. For example, Google, Yahoo and MSN. Offer quality content and services. You have to offer quality content. If your content related to web designing, you have to give the exact nature of web designing and exact things of web designing in your website. Write better anchor text. Anchor text play a crucial role in search engine rankings. You have to use Google AdWords keyword tool for this. How to select the best keyword which matches your content. Optimize your use of images. You can use n number of images. Okay. You can take photos from anywhere, but you cannot copy it or you cannot save other photographs of the other websites. Okay. You can take your own photograph and you can give the title. For example, you can give a watermark for your images. Because nowadays Google images are getting popular and popular. So the people come through images to the website. Use heading tags appropriately. Heading tags play a crucial role. I already explained before. The title of the web page. Title of the web page play a crucial role in search engine rankings. Your title must 100% relevant to the content of the web page. Dealing with crawlers. How to deal with a crawler. For example, Google crawl. If your website, for example, the title of the web page, meta description, meta keywords, and content density, the content and keyword density, and what are you call it as inbound links, outbound links. So these are all the things you have to first confirm before publishing your post. For example, if you have sufficient links, for example from Facebook or Google Plus or StumbleUpon or Digg, then your post automatically crawled within 3 minutes and listed in Google top 10 results. Okay. If your content is a unique one, quality one, and not copied from other websites and have a sufficient links. For example, if your website page rank is 5 or 4, maybe 4, then your website automatically is listed in Google search results within 3 minutes of your publishing the post. Now you go to the next. Make effective use of robots text. You have to allow only the certain images. Okay, you are not going to allow any CG bin or anything like that. So you can use make effective use of the robot text. If you want to know the importance of robot.txt file, then you can visit viratech.com. Okay, viratech.com is a website is run by my friend Julius. Okay, you see the importance of robot text file in viratech.com. Be aware of no follow links. Okay, no follow for your links. Okay, you have to post your website links on only follow links. Okay, you don't give the no follow links in any other websites. Promotion and analysis. How to promote. The promotion and analysis means how to promote your website and also analyze your website. Promote your website in right ways. You have to promote your website on Google Plus, Pinterest. Okay, there are a lot of social networking websites and social bookmarking websites. Okay, you can promote your website through those channels, and you can also issue a pamphlet, or you can put your website in a visiting cards, newspapers, like so on. Okay, there are more than 750 free classified websites on internet. You can give advertisement in newspaper and magazines to promote your website. Make use of free webmaster tools. I want to share something, okay, from useful things from Google. Google gives a lots and lots of tools for webmasters. For example, Google Webmaster Tools. With the Google Webmaster tool, you can improve your search engine rankings. What are all the keywords visitors come to your website? So, you can use a sitemap, okay. You can submit your sitemap to the Google Webmaster Tools and make full use of Google search engine rankings. Google Analytics. You can see where the visitors come to your website. Country, region, okay, region, country, city. For example, you are running a travel business in New York, okay. New York City, you are running a travel business. So you can see how many visitors from USA, particularly from New York, come to your website via Google Analytics. Google Analytics not only give the exact region or city or anything else like that to your website, but also it can give a comprehensive coverage how your website audience behaving while they are visiting your website. What are the keywords which are performing very well in the search engine rankings? Which browsers your visitors are using? For example, Google, Yahoo, Microsoft, and so many browsers. Okay, what are the browsers they are using? Okay, for example, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, these are all the things you can learn from Google Analytics. And Google Web Optimizer, okay, website optimizer. Which page performing well in the search engine rankings? For example, what you say, home page of your website. Home page, you can also do some methods to analyze which page is better ranking in the search engine rankings. You convert those pages into a home page. So these are all the topics I cover in the SEO training in India. If you are coming to my SEO training, then you can get the comprehensive knowledge of SEO. So attend my SEO training. This is my humble request, okay. You can get the more knowledge of SEO and also make higher in the search engine rankings. Thank you friends. Thank you. We will see you in another video tutorial. Bye.